I don't know how many people are holding this company, but this company is looking super. Super means super. You can see his performance, how to place chart. It is very typical. It is in total bullish mode. Up and on, very less downtrend. It is. We have to find out this pattern where it can be edited downside. I have to catch it right now. No delay for this stock. We will go to daily chart pattern and we will analyze there. What will be the first go? My first target consumption will be first level will 2000. After that, we will find out the breakout. After breakout, how much percentage it is giving. Company is giving how much percentage after breakout. It is showing my live session. You can check it yourself. After breakout, what is the trend about this company? I will may find that after breakout it is given only 12, 14% till now. What was the last breakout? Last breakout was given here. This is 862. Last breakout was given on 862. After that, that is given 103.4 percentage. Now calculate as per chart data. It will give next 100%, next 100% from here itself. Yeah, how much? 100%. It will be next multi-bagger. I cannot teach you how to calculate valuation, but valuation wise it is very cheap. If you want to learn, please go through some books and understand basic points. Now this is next. First is 2000, next is 3500 approximate. This is not my fake or useless charting. This is perfect charting. If you can adjust to check yourself. Now we'll go to monthly chart. You can see the pattern. No bearish signal. So first buy. I will buy Monday. Monday will buy on dip any dip up to 1900. Any dip up to 1870. Catch up to 1870 or any level. This is investment pick. So don't worry. I will go with the full fundamental details. If you like it, my analysis, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Thanks.